Do you want to grow on TikTok but feel camera shy or just don't want to show your face? Good news. In 2025, you absolutely can build a following without ever appearing on screen. Today, I'm sharing practical tips for growing your TikTok account while staying behind the camera. The first strategy is focus on content that doesn't require you to be on camera. Text-based videos, slideshows, voiceovers, tutorials, screen recordings, or even hands-only demonstrations work incredibly well. Motivational quotes, life hacks, tech tips, and even Taylor Swift-inspired lyric edits are perfect for faceless content. Next, use voiceovers or text-to-speech. Your voice or a simple AI-generated voice can guide viewers through tutorials, stories, or tips, keeping them engaged without you needing to appear. Combining voice with text captions ensures your message is clear and accessible, which also improves retention, a key factor in TikTok growth. Visuals are your next focus. Animations, stock footage, or simple graphics can replace your presence on screen. Background clips, screen recordings, and even photos with creative text overlays are highly effective. TikTok loves videos that keep viewers watching to the end, so make sure your visuals support your story and are easy to follow. Consistency and niche content are just as important for faceless accounts. Pick a theme, whether it's motivation, tutorials, parenting tips, or entertainment, and stick with it. TikTok rewards creators who consistently post content in a recognizable style, and it helps viewers know what to expect from your page. Finally, engage with your audience in the comments. Even if you're faceless, responding to questions, ideas, or feedback builds a loyal community. Faceless accounts that interact with followers can still go viral and attract opportunities like collaborations, sponsorships, or even brand deals. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more TikTok tips for 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.